How to use the keyframe tool when you insert a sticker, a video, or even a text. This is using the Filmora video editor app. So you have an item on your video and you want it to move around on the video itself on its own. This is not using the animation tool. This is using the keyframe. I'll show you how to go about achieving something like this here. Let's go ahead and get started. The keyframe tool works with inserted text, stickers, and even inserted videos. So we'll be using a sticker for this tutorial here. I'll go to sticker and I'm going to go ahead and add one that I recently added a while ago or something simple here. Okay, so we'll just wait for this to load up here. We'll select one. You go ahead and select your sticker. Once you have your first item inserted on the video itself, you can place it to where you want it to start moving. So maybe you want it to start moving from the top left here, and at the end of all your keyframe adjustments, you want it to appear to the bottom right. So leave it from the starting point here. Next up, you want to set the time duration as to how long you want this item moving throughout your video. If you want it to play to the very end, you'll pull in the tab here to the very end or set it to exactly how long you want it to be playing on the video. You can use the time here, which is the time duration where my pen is pointing. You can use that to know how far in the video you are, okay? And let's just say I want it to move up to here. Then we'll start with the keyframe. So first you want to bring the timeline white bar here to the very starting point. That's the first thing you want to do here, or just at least until the item shows up. So to start the keyframe, this tool right here with the diamond and the plus right there, this here, as you tap on it, you're starting the first point of your keyframe. So you'll start by selecting it once. You'll notice this little diamond icon here. Now to continue with the keyframe movement, you'll have to move the timeline first, then move the item. So let's say I want from here to here, this will go down like that. So I'll move the timeline to here. And again, you can use the time here, and then you'll move the sticker or item to the next part of the video like this here. You'll notice every time you finish moving the item, a diamond is created, which is your keyframe point. So again, the key is move the timeline first, then you move the item. You'll see your next diamond here. Then you'll move it again, and you can also shrink that, and then it'll small, and then after that you can move it again, and it'll come down here like that. You'll see your second after you shrink it. So every time you make an adjustment to the item or movement, it'll create a diamond, which is a keyframe point. So you'll move it again, and then maybe I want it to go here like that. There's your other one, and coming to the near end, it'll go back all the way down here. And once you're done with all these changes here, you can now go back and play it to see how this will work, okay? So as I press play here, you'll see it's gonna appear, it's gonna move about on its own, and that's the basic way of using the keyframe tool. Hopefully this guide helped you out using the Filmora video editor app. Like and sub.